Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Prime Seed Pack in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Evo update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined Grow a Garden game, and if you want to get Prime Seed Pack, first of all, you can go to the pass menu right here, and you can get the Prime Seed Pack if you already level up your XP. You can try to complete the quest guys, and for each mission or each quest you will get 250 XP, and you can go back to reward, and after you level up your XP you'll be able to claim this Prime Seed Pack. Okay, and I have gotten this one Prime Seed Pack, and wow. And to increase your XP guys, you can also harvest your crops, and it will give you XP level. And from the points, the points will depend on the rarity of the fruit or the crops that you have collected. So I recommend you to harvest rare plant or rare fruits in your garden, and it will increase your XP level right here. So now my current XP is 411 XP, and then I'm going to try to harvest this knife of ya. Okay, and let's see. Okay, I got more XP. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Prime Seed Pack in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!